Hello everyone. In this video, you'll learn how to use ad groups in WP AdCenter. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to your WP AdCenter plugin and click on Manage Ad Groups. You can create a new group by giving it a name. Then, type in a slug for the group. You can also choose a parent for the new group. Then click on Add New Group. Our new group is created successfully. As you can see here, 2 groups have already been created. And some ads have already been assigned to each of them. Let's take a look at how that looks like on an individual ad. Go to the Manage Ads option, and let's select an ad from here. As you can see on the right side, the groups are already available. And this particular ad has been assigned to the Content Ads ad group. Let's go ahead and see how to place this ad groups in your posts. Go over to the Posts section and select any post to which you want to add your ad group ads. Click on Ad Block and search for ad group. Select WP AdCenter ad group from here. Choose the ad group which you want to display. Set the alignment for the ad. Select the number of ads you want to display from the ad group. Then select the number of columns in which you want to display the ads. You can also provide maximum width for an ad. For that, you need to enable the max width option and provide a maximum width value. To display ads on specific devices, select the relevant checkboxes. Then click on Update, and click over View Post, to see how it looks. And that's it. Now you can easily create and place different group of ads on your site, using the ad group functionality.